Most organizations are young, with perhaps only a few decades of experience to draw from when making meaningful changes. But in firms with long histories, how do managers relate to their pasts in ways to help them mobilize for future change and innovation? By studying long-established Japanese firms, researchers found that history in organizations can be a valuable resource, acting as more than just a tale from the past or a burden to carry in the present, but actually inspiring action for the future. Managers in these firms displayed a heightened sense of history or historical consciousness. They thought of distant events as still relevant today and felt an imperative to remain anchored in history and tradition. Yet they also recognized the need to adapt as technology, society, and the market changed. This moral obligation to honor the distant past, while at the same time safeguarding the long-term continuity of the future business, stimulated what researchers called bounded imagination. These managers used the past to inspire new ideas that, at the same time, preserved a connection with history and tradition. For example, as one traditional candy maker opened a new retail store, he recognized the need to adapt to changing tastes. The new candies, however, were still produced with century-old machinery and adopted a mix of Japanese and Western aesthetics, popular when the firm was founded. Want to learn more about how managers in long-lived firms use history as a resource for innovation? If so, you may want to read this paper.